On the one hand, the I is eternal, spaceless, timeless, the most eternal part in us. But in order for us to develop it, we must, as Amalia said, we must incarnate to this world, and we must actually have a lot of frictions with the earth, with the outside physical world, because this friction, and with other people, because this friction is actually what makes us have self-consciousness and begin to know our I, to know ourselves. Because, as I said, we can't know the I itself, we can know only its manifestations. So our incarnation into the earthly, into the earth is part of the journey to know our I and to develop it and to transform the bodies, the physical, etheric, and astral bodies into higher levels of consciousness. Yeah. So Steiner also gives a metaphor of this birth of the I at age 21 as the Holy Grail. We can say that the physical, etheric, and astral body are like the Holy Grail that we developed in the first 3 7-year cycles in order that the I, which until that age worked on the bodies from outside, can enter. What does it mean, enter? We said it has no material footprint. But when we say enter, it means that from something that is active on us from outside, now the I becomes like the center, and it works on the bodies, on the transformation of the bodies, of the conscious components from inside. So we also compare it to taking a glove and turning it upside down. Yeah. It's like something is turned upside down, and what was before outside is now inside. And what was before inside is now outside. Okay? So when the I is born at the age of 21, it's still not a spiritual birth. It's still very connected to serving the earthly will and all the earthly life. But it means that what was before only the astral forces now begins to have a direction and some kind of inner center, some kind of ability to preserve. Yeah. Because when we begin, age 21 is the beginning, as I said before, of the sentient soul. So the sentient soul is already a soul. It's not a body, but it's still, we can say, a very earthly soul.